Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Finally, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7's first look design with major new upgrades leaked online. Samsung wants the world to know that the Galaxy Z Fold7 and Z Flip 7 will not be like previous foldable phones. According to the latest available data, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7 hit again with launch date and other exciting details. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. The next foldable Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7 is expected to launch next month. While a recent leak points to the slim nature of the upcoming thinnest foldable, Samsung looks ready to pull the wraps off what could be its slimmest and most refined foldables to date, led by the much-anticipated Samsung Z Fold7. Before the official launch, a new leak showcases a standing poster with the speculated Galaxy Z Fold7. But still, the specific details are still under wraps. But this leak indicates the ultra-slim design profile. According to a Reddit profile and Korean forum Dogdrip, the photos show a visibly thinner design with a much smaller hinge, hinting at a major design overhaul compared to the current Galaxy Z Fold 6. If early reports are to be true, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 will be just 9mm thick when folded, and an impressive 4.5mm when unfolded, setting a new benchmark for thinnest foldable. In addition to the design and camera upgrades, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to launch with Qualcomm's latest, the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy under the hood, promising powerful performance and higher energy efficiency. The device will also ship with Samsung's new One UI 8 shell based on Android 16 straight out of the box. New reports also suggest that Samsung plans to offer the Galaxy Fold 7 in multiple color options, including black, blue shadow, silver shadow, and coral red. The future foldable device will get 12GB of RAM, with 256GB or 512GB of storage, and higher memory options with 16GB of RAM, and 1TB of storage will be included. Pricing for the Fold 7, however, is expected to remain largely in line with its predecessor, keeping the device competitive despite its array of upgrades. Rumors also point to support for Qi2 wireless charging and a slightly wider display aspect ratio, which should make multitasking and media consumption even more seamless on the large foldable screen. Only a few weeks to go, the new Galaxy Z Fold 7 will be officially launched at Samsung's Unpacked event in July 2025. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.